KATC Weather Lab. Here's Rob's forecast.
Welcome back. Well, our early spring pattern continues, and that includes late night, early morning sea fog, and then maybe mostly cloudy skies with a few breaks in the afternoon. Blue skies have been hard to come by for any period of time, but our videographer Darius Johnson got a shot of a little blue out there. That's when our temperatures shot up into the mid-70s this afternoon, and tomorrow we'll see more of the same. I think the cloud cover will lift a little bit sooner. We're going to have breezier winds going in overnight tonight through tomorrow. It's probably not going to mitigate the sea fog effect too much, but I think we'll lift to a cloudy to partly sunny intervals during the course of the afternoon, and that should get our temperatures a few degrees warmer and much the same for Thursday. So let's kick it upstairs, look at the big picture and all the weather in the west with snow advisories and snow at elevation continuing. Eventually this storm system that's moving, a series of storm systems that are moving across the U.S. will deliver a cold front here. That will come in late Thursday and back to a winter reality and sharply chillier temperatures as we go into Friday. Now, we did see a few showers, even some rumbles of thunder, even a report of some pea-sized hail earlier today as we got a little bit more unstable with a disturbance that was pushing across the area, but that's mostly east of us, and now we just see plenty of high clouds. The low clouds and fog not really showing up well on this imagery, and we do have plenty of fog across the coastal areas from the upper Texas coast all the way to the Florida coast. And once again, dense fog advisories inland for much of southern Louisiana. For the coastal parishes, that advisory starts at 8 o'clock tonight as the fog moves in there first, and then midnight for the I-10 parishes. Northern parishes not in the mix, but as time goes by, we'll watch the observations. We could see those advisories expanding further to the north as well. Looking at our visibility product, we've seen lower visibilities down at the South Marsh Island location. Also, High Island's been socked in with zero visibility. Cameron at 0 as well. And our fog forecast indicating much the same. Overnight tonight, visibility's going down to a quarter to a half mile being the norm, but at times going down to a quarter mile. But I do expect breezier south winds. We see that. I think they're going to be in the 5 to 10 mile per hour range overnight tonight. So that's just going to mean variable visibility, but it will be thickest down toward the coast by the Gulf, and then the fog begins to lift, but maybe not so right along the immediate coastline through tomorrow morning. So a foggy night ahead, mild conditions, temperatures in the mid to upper 60s. The fog kind of sticks offshore. I've got to call in people looking for a crew changeover, and that fog, when it socks you in, you can't use a boat, can't use a helicopter, you're kind of stuck where you are. So warm one again tomorrow afternoon, but notice we're seeing a few breaks. That's going to get us into the mid to upper 70s for tomorrow afternoon. Drive time looks dry, the clouds moving back in, and here comes the fog once again. Maybe a better chance of that sea fog Wednesday night, Thursday morning as the winds die down just a little bit out ahead of this frontal boundary. That front will be pushing on through into Thursday evening, so dry and warm most of the day for Thursday, but showers coming in for Thursday evening. Temperature-wise, we plant in the mid to upper 60s tonight. Tomorrow, mid to upper 70s. Could see a few readings pushing upper 70s, northern portions of Acadiana. Another mild one tomorrow night, and going into Thursday, we'll see temperatures in the 70s, but notice it cools off. Oklahoma City at 33, so some chilly air on the way. We'll see 40s and 50s as we get into Friday, into the weekend. So another mild, damp night ahead with that mist associated with that dense fog that'll be moving in. 8 p.m. along the coast for the advisory, midnight inland. And then for tomorrow, after the morning fog, going back to mostly cloudy skies, breezy and warm. A few glimpses of the afternoon sun. Enjoy, because we don't have much sun in this 10-day forecast with lots of clouds, more clouds behind the front. Friday, a chilly winter and gray winter day. The wind lets up a little bit for Saturday, so a little bit milder. And look at this, back into the lower 70s as early as Sunday afternoon, and spring returns for a few days early next week before we see another chill down as we head into the mid to latter part of next week. So up and down roller coaster temperatures, and this is the time of year for it. 70s one day, 40s the next, and back to 70s 2 days later.
So did you say you got ice cream for National Weather Person's Day?
I might have.
This is the first I'm hearing of it.
I might have.
What
I'm not
kind?
telling where. I'm on the raspberry.
It's got to be in a freezer.
I'm on the new flavor, raspberry brownie. The raspberry brownie flavor. I can't wait.
Have you dipped in already?
No, not yet.
Let me know when you do.
Okay, you got it.
Okay, thanks.
Yeah.